So I would say that there are conditions where TADs are really indispensable. I mean, you cannot obtain your goal without it. And one good example could be posterior teeth intrusion. I do it in one way, other doctors do it in a different way, but in any case, you cannot do an intrusion of 6 or 8 posterior teeth without a skeletal.
Place the mini implant in a different angulation, or maybe we can change the direction of the force that we are applying. Or maybe we can place the mini implant in another place. If you look carefully, the head of the mini implant here in the mandibular shelf is here in this area. But if you look at this mini implant, the head of the mini implant, it is very close.
By a biomechanical point of view, you could place the TAD here, 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 or here. So, of course, you will choose one point which is not too high, so that is covered by gingiva and not by mucosa. And so along this line, I would choose somewhere here. And now, it's a matter of using the right activation of this wire to produce the correct line.
So this is the mini implant here in the buccal shelf. This is what we are doing. And this is the effect on the applied force. So we have a moment here. But this area is an area of very good bone density. Try not